ran into? The legend, Bobber.
Well, he's not going to put me on. I'll come and say hello. Hey boys and girls, how are you? Bobber400 here, catching up with Moto G Spot. Going out for lunch. See you then.
That's the way. What a champion. Just about to go into lockdown again. We're going to get a bite to eat. That was a tight squeeze. Nice and tight.
Millimetre perfect, mate.
Oh yeah. Do you have any problems getting it into neutral when you sit with the light?
What?
Do you have any problems getting into neutral sitting at the light?
I've worked it out. Pretty soft, but I get
Very, yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty close getting through there.
Yeah, very close. As you find that with the Honda I can zip through, but this one with the big handlebars.
You reckon they're the same look? Yeah.
Probably are, yeah.
Probably exactly the same bar, really.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that would be.
Millimetre perfect. So you let me go first. If I get through, you get through, eh?
We'll make an exit now, and we'll see Bobber next time. There's the man.
Cheers guys, thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed it. Hey, don't forget to like this guy, yeah? How can you not like him? Cheers, have a good one guys, see you later, Bobber400 out.
Thanks for that, Bobber.
Now it's time for you to give me an outro.
Oh yeah.
Thanks Steve.
Alright Bobber, it's good to see you again mate.
No worries.
If you watch this channel, like and subscribe. The link down below. So Moto G Spot. No, I'm only kidding.
Yes, that's it, Moto G Spot, right subscribe. There he is there, the G Spot. Cheers buddy, thanks for one.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you mate.
See you mate. You old bat, blind as a bat. Did you even see me? You I will go. Jesus. Oh, on your phone. Off your phone, Why would you back out of a spot and sit in the middle of the road looking at your friggin' phone. God's sake. She looked, oh, what are you telling me off for? What do you think, you stupid? Good indicator. Fucking hell.